Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am going to explain about the fundamental analysis of Jayant Agro Organics. See, Jayant Agro Organics, you can say, is an emerging global oil company, which is leadership in the castor oil specialty chemicals industries, with the proven research capability and strict adherence to the stringent quality control, conforming to the international standard. Okay, so this company is an agrochemical company, and nowadays the agrochemical company is in boom, and I think in the India is one of the growth scenario where the agriculture industry will grow in the coming days. So I'm using here the Moneycontrol app right now, and in the you can see here that this Jayant Agro is now down for the current day. So here in the Moneycontrol app website, where when you go that you will see a lot of things about the company, like overview, like chart, MC Insight, MC Technical, price, volume, news, forum, research, deal, insider, corporate action, financials, shareholding, peers, and about. So right now we will check about. So you can see that MC essentially showing 58% pass, means this company you can say is one of the good company, and this particular MC essentially showing 58%. Okay, so this is maybe I will show you the next fundamental research about this company. So let me show you the charting. Before that I want to go with the overview. So you can see all open price, and you can see the TTM EPS is showing 21%, 20.86, and P is 11.8. Is also this P is very reasonable here. Dividend yield is 0.4. is also reasonable here. Price to book value you can see is only 1.73, so it is very good, and where you can invest it. Face value is 5. Okay, so when you check the chart here, okay, so this is the chart, and when you see that, okay, this is the you can say 1-day chart or 5-day chart, 3-month chart. Okay, in the last few months it is falling down, but I think now trend is showing that this stock can move up. And when you check the 6-month, 1-year, 5-year chart, so yeah, in the 5-year chart you can see the company is in uptrend now from now, and the company also might be performing this few months. So now this is showing a good opportunity for the long-term investor who can invest it here at 233 price, and this may cross their 52 weeks high, maybe. It is 488 and 487 price. It will cross soon, maybe you can say in 6 months or 1 year it may achieve. And one important thing, that this company is agrochemical company, and so you can see that this is a very good company for investment, but you can always basically connect with your advisor before investing in the company. Okay, so this is the price to book volume comparison. You can see here this is a different comment is given by the people and their views on the Moneycontrol app. Some block deal happened here. You can see the all block deals since 2012, 2017. You can also see the bulk deal happening in this company. Okay, insider transactions. So you can see all insider transaction here. Corporate action. So now it is very interesting to analysis the financial year. So you can see the financial of the company. So for more detailed analysis, you can check here the high level scenario. You can click on the quarterly result. So you can see the quarterly result is growing. The company is growing the revenue every quarter. Like last June quarter is 642 crore. It's very good. They are increasing their revenue. It is something you can say double since more than double since last 1 year. Income statement you can also see here. Okay, balance the income statement. Very good here is that you can see everything in one view. June 22, June 28. So this is the trending. This is the trend you can see here. Expenditure uptrending. Interest is also maybe reasonable with comparison. So debt to profit is also fine for this company. So you can see the balance sheet here. So balance sheet shows that, oh my, so you can see the share capital they are reducing, the share capital is a constant since 2018. They are having 15 crore, 15 crore, 15 crore. This is also fine. Share capital should not be increased too frequently in the company. Reserve and surplus is also increasing, 274, 361, now 310. 310 is happened because of coronavirus, might be, but this time you can see 365 crore in March 2021. Current liabilities, you can see the liabilities also, you can say they are increasing their liability, 17,473, but it is March 21 229. Other liabilities also increasing, maybe constant, not flexible. So this is the total liabilities in a fixed asset. So companies increasing their fixed assets every year. Current asset they are increasing, but sometimes it is decreasing. So last 2 years they decrease, but it is constant since last 2 years. Okay, so this is the contingent liabilities here. You can see now regarding the cash flow here. You can see the cash flow is saying that in March 2021 is the cash flow data is not there, but in 2021 they are having good operational activity cash, and now you can see the net cash flow is 2 crore for the company. Ratios, you can see all ratios here in the one time in this particular website. Okay, and in the ratio you can see the basic EPS is now improved in last 2020. Now it is showing 16, positive diluted is 16. Price to book value is 135, which is very good in last, and dividend per share is 1 rupees, also good and fine. And if you see the shareholding pattern, the shareholding that promoter is holding 66.4% is very good, and they are not decreasing their stake here. Single FI and DIA holdings, and I think that is not very much here, and but it is fine. Mutual fund scheme, some keeping some. Two mutual fund are interested here in FI, PI. One FI is also holding, which is increased, I think. Since last some quarter, the FIS increased their stake. Also the P, you can see the Aarti Industries, Atul, Alkyl Amine. So you can see the Jayant Organic is having a category of good companies like Atul, Alkyl Amine, and Aarti Organics. These are very multi-bagger scenario stocks, but I think Jayant Agro is something under value, and it is having a good opportunity where this stock can give more big return. So someone can invest it, but take always the advisor from your financial advisor. About the company, I just told you the oil chemical company leadership. So maybe you can, whenever you go side, you can read it in detail. These are the full address, management. Okay, so this is the fundamental analysis of this Jayant Agro. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Okay.